How to install Shelly GAS sensor. Let's get started. This is a short unboxing of Shelly GAS. You can see all sides of the box and the technical specifications on one of them. What you may find in the box when you are opening it for the first time. This is the gas sensor in its beauty. This is a hole to which you can connect our gas add-on manipulator. You can find it in our shop. The device has a test button on the top. As you can see, the socket type can be modified. You can order it for a different standard. In the box, you will find a reset pin. It is shown where you should use it. Also, you will find the user guide. Following it, you will be able to use Shelly GAS according to the way you want. It can be easily installed. Just plug it into a socket, and you will hear the test signal from the device. You can test it once again if you want, by pressing the test button. The next step is to add the device to your local network, and to start using it with the Shelly Cloud app. The device is creating an access point, to which you should connect. After that, open the browser on your smartphone and open the local interface of this device by accessing the following address, 192.168.33.1. Go to Internet and Security, and click on Wi-Fi client mode. There you must enter the name, SSID, and password for your Wi-Fi network. You can add them by DHCP, or with static IP out of the DHCP range. When you type them, press save and you will receive a confirmation. Go back to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone, and connect to your home network. Open the Shelly Cloud application, and in 30 seconds, you will see the room discovered devices. Open it, and you will see your Shelly with its ID. Press on click to add and type a name, select a room and a picture icon, then press Save Device. You will be prompted, if you want to connect your device to the Shelly Cloud service. It takes some time, so please wait. The device is successfully added to your account and to the cloud. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Shelly devices.